So hello guys, welcome to the reinforcement learning series. Today we're going to study about cross entropy. So here we go. Cross entropy. Okay. So like in traditional machine learning, cross entropy is used to measure how well a set of estimated class probabilities match the target class. So the cross entropy method falls into the model free and policy based category of methods. So we will get clear with these terminologies. The term model free means that so we will write it over model free. Okay. So basically this term model free means that the method doesn't build a model of the environment or reward. It just directly connects observation to actions. And in other words, we can also say that the agent takes current observation and does some computations on them and result in the action it should take. And at the same time, we have model based. So this method try to predict what the next observation and reward will be. Based on the prediction, the agent tries to choose the best possible action to take, and very often making such prediction multiple times to look more and more steps into future. So that is how it is. And if we talk about the policy based methods, so the policy based methods directly approximate the policy of the agent, that is, what action should carry out at every step. The policy is usually represented by a probability distribution over the available actions. And if we talk about value based methods, so we have one more terminology, that is value based methods. So in this case, instead of probability of action, the agent calculates the value for every possible action and chooses the action which has the best value. And we have off policy and on policy also. So this is cross entropy is on policy. So on policy method estimates the value of policy while using it for control, while off policy it is the ability of method to learn on historical data and like the obtained by previous version or the agent recorded by human demonstration or just seen by same agent several episodes ago. So that is how it is. So I think we are clear with some basic terminologies. And so our cross entropy method is model free, policy based and on policy, which means it doesn't build any model of the environment. It just says to the agent what to do at every step. That is, it approximates the policy of the agent. It requires fresh data from the environment. As our cross entropy method is policy based, our neural or say non-linear function, that can be our neural network, produces the policy which basically says for every observation which action the agent should take. The policy is usually represented as the probability distribution over actions, which makes it very similar to classification problem, with the amount of classes being equal to the amount of actions we can carry out. So it is a very simple thing. So based running on a very simple logic, that is, this is the observation. Oops. Okay, so observations and trainable function, that is our neural network, and result is the policy. So I think this makes our agent very simple. It needs to pass an observation from the environment to the neural network and get a probability distribution over actions and perform random sampling using the probability distribution to get an action to carry out. So this random sampling adds randomness to our agent, which is a good thing, as at the beginning of the training, when our weights are random, the agent behaves randomly. After the agent gets an action to issue, it fires the action to the environment and obtains the next observation and reward for the last action, and then the loop continues. So suppose this is our episode 1. We have some bunch of, say, observation, and action and a reward, some more, and so on, and the reward with every respective episode, that is, and so okay, so like this we have some multiple episodes. Same like the above, A2 or 2, observation, action, reward, and so on. We have some these kind of episodes. So, and again this is the reward associated with it, sorry. So every cell represents the agent step in the episode, and due to randomness in the environment and the way that agent selects actions to take, some episodes will be better than others. So the core of the cross entropy method is to throw away bad episodes and train on better ones. So basically, so like this happens in very simple steps. So first is play n number of episodes. So this is like we're going to play n number of episodes using our current model and environment, and calculate the total reward for every episode and decide on a reward boundary. Usually we use some percentile of all rewards such as 70th, and we throw away all the bad episodes with a reward below the boundary, and we train on the remaining elite episodes using observation as input and action as output, and we will repeat this again and again until we are satisfied with the result. So this is what is cross entropy, and so I hope cross entropy is clear to you now. And in upcoming video we're going to see how to solve cardboard problem using cross entropy. So thank you for watching the video, and please subscribe the channel.